Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we will see how to make the custom view modifiers in Swift View. So what does it mean? Suppose if you want to add some modifiers, suppose I will say foreground color dot red, we will see. So we added some modifiers inside that. So suppose I want to create a multiple modifiers in a text, so we can do that here itself. Suppose what happens if we have multiple text and we want to add multiple text plus some modifiers inside that, and that should be custom, right? So it's possible you can do that, but it's not look good, right? So what we can do for resolving these kind of issues, what we can do, we can create our custom modifiers. Now how to do that, so we'll see. Now let's start the coding. So we will see, suppose I want to create a custom border line of any text or some button, whatever it is. So we can struct, we can create custom text border, and that should be a view modifier type. So we need to use view modifier, and then we need to create a function, and we can say body, and we need to pass content inside that, which is type of content, and return should be always some view. Fine, looks fine. Okay, so now what we can do, we can return the content, and by adding the what modifiers, like suppose I can say font. Take example of, see, it's like a font is there, yeah. So we can say font, and it should be large. Command, what happened, it should be dot font equal to large, it should come, right? Large title, why it is not coming? One second. So let me see, some issue is there. Let me build this. This Xcode is sometimes buggy type of stuff. So we can say it's fine, right? So view modifier I created, why it is throwing error now? Return content, right? It's fine only. Oh, sorry. I need to pass this auto suggestion also sometimes screwed. Okay, so font should be content, and then we need to return the last title. The spelling should be title, it will come. So come, why it is not coming? Command, yeah. Okay, similarly we can add some padding. Okay, and similarly we can overlay. We can say it should be round rectangle, we can say, fine. And we can pass some attribute like corner radius, we can say it should be a 15, it's fine for us. And after that we can some stroke also, we can pass stroke. That is your call, you can do whatever you want to do. You can pass it stroke also, or not required if not. So yeah, overlay we had pass it, and looks fine. So rectangle we added, and corner radius we added, and I think stroke also we can find it look good, otherwise we won't be able to identify stroke. And it should be line width, it should be supposed to, fine. And let's segregate this, so it should come. Actually, the best practice is you can segregate the stuff, so you can identify what the modifiers you have added. Okay, so we have added one second, yeah. So we have added a rounded rectangle, that is fine, and then after that we have added stroke. Okay, and then after that we can add one more property called modifier called foreground color. Something is wrong here, what it is saying, corner radius. So, corner, sorry, corner radius it should be, my mistake. Corner radius stroke is there, and foreground color. Now it should come. Okay, so foreground color, yeah. If syntax is fine, then Xcode is very happy, it will throw the auto suggestion. But if it is wrong, it will cry like anything. So yeah, so I think it's fine. So we have added our custom text border, and now we can good to use this. So we have created, suppose welcome to, we can change the string, welcome to Swift UI. Okay, and what we can do, we can add some custom modifier that is if you guys aware of generics, so that is related to that. Okay, so you can see afterwards, no problem. So custom modifier text border, and that's it. So let's see first we will see without this and after this. So let's try this. So nothing is there, it's very simple. And yeah, custom text border we created, I did some padding overlay, fine, it will look fine. So first it will come simple text. So what it was, welcome to Swift UI. Now we added our modifier, we'll see what is the difference. Come man, come fast. So let's see, should come 1 2 3. Yeah, superb, getting my point, right? So hope you understood the basic things, and after this also you can play around with this, all this stuff. You can create your own whatever requirement, you can do that. So hope you guys understood the video. Please like it, subscribe it, and if you have some doubts you can post the comments and I will reply on the same. Thanks for watching.